Now the topic before us is polynomial explanation. We will here explain the polynomial. Now this is an algebraic expression before us. This is a polynomial. In this polynomial 5, this 5 is the coefficient of x square. 5 is the coefficient because 5 is attached to a variable x. Here x, this x and this x, these are the variables. As already told, in a polynomial, normally x, y or z are taken as variables. Here 3 is coefficient of x. Now this is 4. This is the constant term. That is, its value does not change. Now this 5x square, this is a term because it is a combination of coefficient and variable. Again, this 3x, this is also a term. Now 4, this is also a term. Now all these terms come together to form a polynomial. Now the question arises whether a polynomial can consist of a single term. We had raised this question earlier, whether a polynomial can has a single term, because we had learnt that poly means many, nomial means terms, polynomial means many terms. Whether a single term can form a polynomial? So the answer is yes, a single term can form polynomial. But here is a condition. And what is that? The term should be the combination of coefficient as well as the variable. This is the coefficient, this is the variable x. Combination of both should be there. If we say that 4 is a polynomial, because 4 is a term, we have learnt that a single term, this is a single term, 4 is a single term. Whether if we write that 4, it is a polynomial? No, it is not, because it is only having 4. We can say that it is only having coefficient, but variable is missing. We have learnt that the term consists of variable plus coefficient. So in the case of 4, it is only a constant. So this cannot be regarded as a polynomial. Though a single term can form a polynomial, but its example can be, say, 2x, 3y. Here it is a mixture or a combination of coefficient as well as variable. Now we have already given the answer to this aspect, whether the numerical number alone This is numerical number alone can be polynomial? No. And another important point which is to be discussed here, that the terms are added or subtracted. The terms, one term is added with another term and this is subtracted, and ultimate we form a polynomial. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.